SSC Maths Part 2 Chapter 4 Similarity Practice Set 1.2 Question number 10. Okay. In this figure, X is any point in the interior of triangle. Interior आतमध्ये. Okay. In this position. Is any point in the interior of triangle. Point X is joined to vertices of triangle. What are the vertices? These are the vertices. Okay, these are the vertices of two triangle. Okay, of triangle. Segment PQ parallel to D. PQ parallel to D. Segment QR. This QR is parallel to EF. These two are parallel and these two are parallel. Given. Fill in the blanks to prove that segment PR is parallel to segment DF. We have to prove that these two segments are parallel to each other. Okay. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay. But now here I am explaining whole question. You can write in your book or textbook as per your requirement. Okay. So solution. First we are taking in triangle XDE. Okay. XDE. What we are looking at? What is given here? PQ is parallel to DE. This is given. Okay. According to this, what we can write? We can write that XP upon PD is equals to XQ upon QE. Okay, what is the reason? According to basic proportionality theorem. Okay, give it as equation number 1 and reason is basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now in triangle XEF. Okay, in triangle XEF, what is given? QR is parallel to EF. QR is parallel to EF. This is given. Okay, this is given. So according to this, what we can write? We can write that XQ upon QE is equals to XR upon RF. Give it as equation number 2. And what is the reason? Reason is basic proportionality theorem. According to basic proportionality theorem, we can write XQ upon QE is equals to XR upon RF. Now from 1 and 2, we can write that XP upon PD is equals to XR upon RF. XR upon RF. Okay, because this XP is proportional to PD and XQ is proportional to QE, and also XR is proportional to RF. Okay, so what is the reason of this? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Okay. Now, if we can write this, then according to this, if we give it as equation number 3, then according to equation number 3, what we can write? We can write that according to, now according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is converse? If this ratio is same, then we can write that PR is parallel to DF. Segment PR is parallel to segment DF. Okay, hence proof. We have to prove this PR is parallel to DF.